Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I'm gonna say that every video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe because you know we try to get our subscribers up before the beginning of next year. It's 2023. If you can hear how I sound, yes, I'm sick again. This is day Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days. This is day 4 of being sick. And really, I sound more congested than I really am, I guess, because I've just been sneezing like crazy just now. So, yeah. But I am sick. Nothing new. Seem like my immune system just is shot. Either way, anyway, but today we are going to be doing a Sunday reset because I need to get myself back together and get prepared for the last week of work until, you know, we get out for Christmas break. So, yeah. So I'm going to be, you can't see, but I have to wash my full sink of dishes. Yes, it's a full sink. Like I said, I've been sick for 4 days. So I was supposed to wash the dishes from cooking and all that stuff on Thursday. And couldn't do it. So it's just been sitting here. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. I've been sick, y'all. So I'll be doing that. I will be cooking. I think I'm going to cook. I'm not sure yet, but I know I have some chicken in the refrigerator that I do need to cook. So probably chicken and something else. I don't know. I have to figure it out later. But yeah. I might do chicken and yams maybe because I think I got a few over there that I can possibly use. So might do that, chicken yams and maybe rice. Chicken yams, rice, and green beans. We might can do that. Yeah, we might can do that. So, yeah. So we're going to be cleaning up the kitchen, cooking, and, you know, getting prepared for Monday. Tomorrow's Monday, work week. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm just going to speed through this, get this done as fast as I can, because I just got to keep going with dishes. Dishes have to be, you know.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
Hey y'all, so I'm cutting up some bell peppers and onions now. Don't talk about how I cut up my stuff. I'm just not in the mood to have any type of critic or anything right now. But yeah, this is my half an onion. I have to get my other half an onion. But this is going to go on top of my chicken. That actually might be enough because I don't have that much chicken. I'm do half of this bell pepper. Maybe not even half, maybe just this quarter. Because I don't have that much chicken. And I just need it for seasoning and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And it's not a cooking tutorial. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing today. I need to preheat my oven to 425. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's enough for up until Tuesday. I'm probably gonna cook on Tuesday anyway. So I'm just put a little bit. So that's why I'm not cooking that much chicken. Normally I would cook a whole thing of chicken, but that's why I'm only cooking these couple of pieces, and then cover it and put it in the oven. Yeah, see, I knew that was gonna be enough bell pepper. And I'm gonna just let y'all know now, I cover all my meats so I can keep the moisture in for the first at least 30, 45 minutes of it. And then I'll pull it out, I'll, you know, flip it or whatever. And then I take the cover off. If I'm barbecuing, I put my barbecue sauce on it, let it cook for the last 10, 15 minutes. And yeah, now chicken in. Alright, y'all, so the chicken is in the oven. It's 3 o'clock, so the chicken is in the oven. I'm probably gonna do 2, maybe 3 cans of green beans. I'm doing cans because I don't have the bags. I think I used the rest of them like a couple weeks ago. So I'm gonna use the cans because I don't feel like going to the store. Also, I think I have 2 of sweet potatoes, so I may go ahead and do the yams. Even though this is not a lot, it's still like another side, so it doesn't matter. So I may still do these. Cut these up, put them in the thing. What else did I say? Rice. I could just put my rice in my rice cooker, because that's just the easiest way for me to cook rice. I don't eat rice. I don't eat too much rice. Like, I'm not a rice person. So yeah, the rice could cook on its own. I don't have to do nothing to that. The green beans I'm gonna put on in probably like 20, 30 minutes maybe. When the chicken get close to being halfway done, I'll put the green beans on because the green beans don't take too long. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. I'm gonna come back when get the chicken and putting barbecue and stuff together to put it on there. I really hope y'all can see. Open this up, see what the chicken looking like. Oh, I read that. Okay. It's really looking good. Spread my... Yeah, the chicken looked really good, actually. And I'm just rubbing the barbecue sauce on the chicken.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you.
put it back in the oven for maybe like 10 more minutes. Back in the oven. All right, y'all, I just want to show y'all the finished product. Have our green beans. Okay. We have our yams. They're a little watery, but child, whatever. We have our barbecue chicken. That here. And we have our rice. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm done for today. I already cooked. I'm gonna clean, you know. I may eat, I don't know. I'm really not hungry. But yeah. So y'all saw I cooked rice, chicken, yams, and green beans, which is, I think, is a nice, cool little meal. So I appreciate y'all spending this Saturday with me, resetting, trying to get myself back together, getting prepared for the week. I cooked my lunch for the week, well, at least for the next 2 days. And then I'll probably cook on Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. I don't know. It depends. So, yeah. I'm going to work on a few more things. Nothing that's really worth recording. So, yeah, I may see y'all tomorrow. I don't know what I have planned. I know I have to go to work, but that's about it. And really just try to get over whatever this is that I have. So, I'm probably going to maybe eat a little bit of something. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely going to go lay down and try to get prepared for tomorrow and the rest of this week. So I will see y'all later. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. If y'all have any home remedies, leave them in the comments too, because I need something. But yeah, I think that's all that I have. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.